Hey friends, it's your boy Joey. Camper's a mess. This hand is messed up again. I haven't re-injured it. Just regular life and regular work is making it bad. We'll do a dedicated video on it after I visit the doctor, which I'm waiting for workers' comp to get reopened up, blah blah blah. But updates, this was a video I was going to make a couple weeks ago, but we found dead Mikey, then we found alive Mikey, and my head was just so confused. But as you can see, we now have extra stuff like a litter box in here because we trap him inside. I have moved the server from the bedroom out here because it makes the bedroom super hot. I moved the other server, my old PC right here that's got Home Assistant on it. It also has Ubuntu server on it, but that's not running anything else right now. I haven't spent the time to deal with that and get that all running the way I want to. But like, we got clothes to put away, we got the couch to deal with. I found my SodaStream thing, I gotta clean that up. We got server stuff to deal with because the app thing got updated and things are changed, and I want to redo how I have it set up. Yeah, and I want to redo the whole camper base layout. This is here because something over here leaks. I got to get a new tarp. Winter was not nice to that very cheap $35 huge tarp. But right now we're gonna run some errands. Probably put my hair up with glue. And I think next week I will do a video on how I do that maybe. I got some ideas. I gotta work on the merch store more. I wanna do a video about that. Oh, why? Breathing so hard because it's cold out. I should not be breathing this hard right now. So we're gonna take some, lung bother. Allergy meds, and we're gonna go back to the doctor, talk about getting some real asthma medicine because it's still not great. I'm not gonna go back to drinking a ton of Coca-Cola. Gotta figure out where to put this. Gonna figure out what to do with all my towels. Probably go through, throw a bunch away. Probably put dishes away. We'll see how I'm feeling about that later. Mike said he can't go out whenever he wants. He does have the microchip in him. He did come back healthy from the vet, so that's all good. We got the chip registered in my name, so that's good. Mostly things are good right now. My raise at work hit my 6 months. That kicked in. And next week, we'll start putting money in my savings account and build that up for bigger purchases, mostly being the truck bed camper and the enclosed trailer. And I'm thinking if I get an enclosed trailer, I can build that into a little workshop even for now. And crappy weather like right now, I could pull the front of the truck, I could pull one of the Jeeps in it and still be working on it. So yeah, we really want to get that. We did get a new trailer. I don't know if I showed that. I got to do a little bit of maintenance. There's a few modifications we want to do to it. And yeah, exciting things coming. It is second week of April, third week of April? Third week of April. Anyways, I'm going to get these errands run. We're going to return dead Mikey to the pet cemetery so they can take care of him properly, or if somebody came in saying we're missing our cat, it looked like that, I can be like, yo dog. Funny story. My cat came back. And then, we did put the AC in the window. I gotta get more foam so I can fill those cracks in properly. Yeah, anyways, peace out. We'll catch up in a little bit. Alright, it's next day. My errands took too long and I kind of just fell asleep. But here's a new utility trailer. we're gonna have a layer of plywood on top, so when I'm dropping crap like that, I'm not just tearing this all up real bad. But the plan is get the trailer wiring all fixed up. I have everything picked out I want. I just have to order it. So all the lights will work. I'll have proper trailer thing because my plugs all failed on me. I definitely need a drop hitch for this trailer. That sits rather high. There's some other mods. We'll get into that another day. We got to get some heavy duty grease in these because I just not want to go. And I definitely want handles. But we're going to take all the scrap metal in that, put it in here. We're going to take all the wood off of that. Possibly see if we can reuse any of it. But mostly just cut that trailer up, put it in here for more scrap metal. It didn't come with a title, it was just handed down to me for free. So I can't just scrap it how it is. But that's the plan with that. Get a bunch of the scrap out of here, then get a bunch of garbage out of here. Possibly take a bunch of the brush, bring it out to where my friend lives, because he can go and dump it for free, or take it out to my buddy's house. Maybe we can do a bonfire with the Yee Yee boys. Back in the camper, didn't do a whole lot. I got dishes washed. I want to make more bread. We got some taco meat made. This is definitely just white people taco meat. I think I need to build a little shelf over this so I can put the dirty clothes hamper on top of it. We didn't deal with that yet. This is still a mess. Yes. Cold. And you don't like that, just like me, so good choice. He's chipped now, and I will be getting a GPS collar probably this week. We'll see how much money I got. I've been sitting here being a little nerdy, watching off-road racing, doing server stuff, moving files around, listening to music, and then here you can see some updates happen, and I've been reinstalling all my apps. Permission denied. App folder directory is being overwritten to /config. I don't know why it's doing that, and then config isn't writable. So I'm gonna spend some time doing that. So all my apps on the server right now, well, most of them are working. 2 of them are not, because I deleted the working versions. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna do my hair, mohawk. Look at this boy. Yeah. Get some fuel, get a little bit of work food because I'm about to run out. Finish whatever I decide I'm gonna do with this, which is probably make some rice. Cut the green pepper I have into chunks. Make some pre-made meals to go for work. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get this done. Life hasn't been super great to me lately. It's been 3 days. Yeah, about 3 days since my hand got all messed up, and yeah, I gotta clean up my nails. Still not feeling great, and I haven't heard from a doctor. They said they were gonna call me. So tonight we're gonna talk about that at work, but we'll see. My boss wants everything paid for, so I'm just going to wait, I guess. They'll figure it out eventually. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here. Run these errands. Get that rice cooking. Oh yeah, we need some heat or fuel for the heater. Ran out today. It's been freezing cold again. It was like 70 degrees, 80 degrees. Oh well, Michigan. Anyways, peace out. See you later.